Hey everybody. Hey, want to report some more earthquakes for you. Looks like there was a 3.0 earthquake that hit Lake Tahoe, and that's in California there. So it says a magnitude 3.0 rattles Lake Tahoe area just before 7 o'clock in the morning. It says it hit 3.5 miles east of Tahoe Vista. And so looking at the charts, and as far as the earthquakes around there, there seems like there's some tremors happening on that. Mammoth also had a 1.9, which is about close to a 3 point. So this chart here, you can see there's like a direct line on that with ridge cross as well. So again, 1.96, which closest to a 2.0. Sierra Valley, California, 1.4 on there, and then followed by the Lake Tahoe Vista on there. So it looks like a straight line on there. So it could be not a good thing because of a fault line, I'm gonna say, on there. So I'll show you that. If you can look at the map there, it's a complete straight line on there. Earthquakes on that area, especially in that topic of Lake Tahoe on that. So if you see closely on there, you can see it more of a straight line on there. So definitely some activities happening there. And if you look closely, there's also you can see the fault line that's hitting toward there, getting toward Reno and so forth on there, on that. So meanwhile, the different earthquakes that are happening as well on there. There's one that just happened in Texas. It's Pasco, Texas. 3.0 earthquake happened there as well on there. And then no, they're saying a 3.2, actually a 3.2 magnitude on there. It was a 3.0 just a while ago. And then a 2.3 in Oklahoma as well, around the areas as well, like El Salvador, a 4.6, and then as you know, Spain, a 4.5 earthquake on there. So definitely some activities happening around there, as you can see on there.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.